everyone, this is Gary Elford from Elfords here. Really excited today to tell you about our brand new branding for the company. This has come about primarily to help us celebrate our 25-year celebration. I'll come on and tell you a little bit more about the rebrand and what it looks like, etc., which was basically what you would have seen on the intro coming into this video. But the main purpose of this video is to really thank every single one of our current customers, past and hopefully future customers for their fantastic support over the last 25 years, without the likes of which we wouldn't still be here now. So we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for supporting us throughout these years, through all the ups and downs, which includes obviously recessions, difficulties that you normally have with running any business. So we're rightly proud to still be here 25 years later, and we hope you appreciate that too. Now that also goes for all our subcontractors that we work with, and we have worked with in the past, and hopefully we'll work with again in the future. The ones that we pull in for different contracts as and when we need them, and equally so obviously the contractors we go and work for, which are, you know, in effect customers to us. And lastly, of course, all our different suppliers that we've worked with over the years. They're kind of the unsung heroes at times, always there at the end of the phone if we need their support and help. I'd like to thank you guys as well, because without the likes of which, same with the customers, we're nothing really. So it's much appreciated, guys. So that's really the thanks out the way, and the reason our rebranding has come along, which to start with, this is our original branding there, which I hope hopefully most of you are familiar with. And of course, this is our new look. Now the reason why we've done this, we no longer thought our old branding was fit for purpose. We started 25 years ago in mainly window cleaning. Throughout the years we've moved on to many different other services and different market sectors, and we felt our branding really sort of tended to pigeonhole us into the window cleaning area, because that's what we started on. But the reality is, over these 25 years, and certainly for at least the last 20 years, we've been doing an awful a lot more. And so we wanted a new fresh look which really encompassed the greater range of the services we provide. So when you get a chance, have a look on our website. That shows all the different services we currently offer, and of course we'd be more than happy to take any inquiries for those should you have the need. But just to give you a brief idea, this is the website you can see in front of us, which is elfords.com, elfords.com. And on the first page you'll land on gives you a brief overview and a list of all the different services we now offer, such as pressure washing, solar panel cleaning, graffiti removal, heritage stone cleaning, quite a specialist area we work within, gutter clearance, roof cleaning, obviously window cleaning, cladding cleaning, render cleaning, oil stain removal, decking cleaning and soft washing, to name a few. Also you'll see various projects we've worked along together with our various accreditations. So that's all we really wanted to say today, guys. Once again, many thanks for supporting us, and we hope to be here for at least another 25 years. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.